Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create URL redirects in This is a super useful feature that helps keep your visitors and search engines happy. When you change product links or reorganize your store, it makes sure no one runs into broken links after you update your site structure. Let's get started. First, go to your Shopify admin and navigate to Online Store. Then click on Navigation. Once you're there, select View URL Redirects. This is where you can manage all your existing redirects or create new ones. Next, click on Create URL Redirect to start setting up a new redirect. You'll see two main fields to fill out. In the Redirect From field, type the old URL path. That's the link customers might still be visiting or that used to exist on your store. Then, in the Redirect To field, enter the new destination URL where you want people to go instead. If you just want to send users back to your homepage, you can simply type a / just like this. That tells Shopify to redirect that old link straight to your main page. Once you've entered both URLs, click Save to apply your changes. That's it! Shopify will now automatically redirect anyone who visits the old link to the new one. This helps keep your customer experience smooth and protects your SEO ranking by avoiding those annoying 404 errors. And that's all you need to do to create a URL redirect on Shopify. It's quick, simple, and incredibly effective for maintaining your site's structure. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks, and drop a comment if you want me to cover another topic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.